This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Jackie Kersey. Are you looking for a 5-bed 3-bath home on a quiet street, in a great neighborhood? Look no further, because you have found it. Built in 2017, this open floor plan home has space on the main floor to create your work from home office. Guests will also have their own space, west/a full bath. Hardwoods in the main living areas, west/plenty of natural light. The kitchen features a large island and granite countertops. Meals can be served either in the breakfast nook, or the formal dining room. Take a walk upstairs to the spacious main bedroom, west/bathroom ensuite, double vanity, stand-up shower, soaking tub and walk-in closet. 3 additional bedrooms, full bath, laundry room, and a large bonus room, perfect for game nights, finish the upper level. The large, fenced-in backyard backs up to the woods for privacy. Resort-style pool with splash pad, clubhouse, fitness room, playground, volleyball court, and walking trails can all be